In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Roccat Magma mini keyboard. This keyboard is marketed as a compact gaming keyboard that offers a comfortable typing experience at an affordable price point. Let's dive into the features and performance of this keyboard to see if it lives up to the hype. Starting off with the design, the Roccat Magma Mini has a sleek and minimalistic look that's quite appealing. The keyboard is small in size and doesn't take up too much desk space. It has a black matte finish with red LED backlights that add a nice touch of color to the overall design. The keycaps are made of plastic and have a soft touch feel to them. They're also slightly curved, which makes it easier to type on. Moving on to the features, the Roccat Magma Mini has 100% anti-ghosting and a polling rate of 1000 Hz. This means that the keyboard can register every single key press, which is important for gamers who need quick and precise input. The keyboard also has 5 programmable macro keys on the left side, which can be customized to perform various functions. When it comes to performance, the Roccat Magma Mini offers a comfortable typing experience. The key switches are membrane-based, which means that they're not mechanical but still offer good feedback and response time. The keys have a short travel distance, which makes typing fast and easy. The keyboard is also quite silent, so it won't disturb anyone around you when you're typing. Overall, the Roccat Magma Mini keyboard is a solid choice for anyone looking for a compact gaming keyboard that doesn't break the bank. It offers good performance and features, as well as a comfortable typing experience. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive gaming keyboards, it's definitely a great option for those who want a quality keyboard at an affordable price.